Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to mute everybody during a Zoom meeting. So very often it can happen that you are presenting and you hear some unwanted noise and you just want to mute everyone in the meeting because it causes a lot of disruption and an enormous distraction. So you could always go up to the meeting itself and click on mute all and every participant would be muted. And here, if you click that, of course, you would have this option to allow the participants to unmute themselves or not. But the thing is that if you're presenting, let's say you're presenting some PDF or you're presenting anything on your computer, it could be anything, and it would just be a hassle to actually go back to the Zoom meeting and then select mute all. You just want to do it quickly from your keyboard. So this is what we're targeting, muting everybody using the keyboard shortcut keys. So to do that, what you have to do is you have to press the Alt key in tandem with M. So Alt plus M, and here you could suddenly see that this mute all option has been selected because I've just pressed Alt and M collectively. I could press that again and everybody would be unmuted. So right now, of course, I'm alone in this meeting. I'm just showing this to demonstrate how we actually do this using our keyboard, because it is very convenient to simply use our keyboard instead of just coming back to the meeting constantly. If we're in another tab, we could just press Alt M. If we're in another application, in another window, and it would simply shut up everybody else in the meeting, and only you as the presenter would be able to just say or speak through your mic. Everybody else would just have to be silent. And this is how you use your keyboard to mute everybody during a Zoom meeting.